Double-hung window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Frederick seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our Frederick window installation services ensure that your double-hung windows are installed with precision and care. Double-hung windows Frederick solutions provide long-lasting performance and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort in your Frederick home. Our energy-efficient Windows Frederick services offer a range of options to suit your needs, helping you save on utility bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Window sash replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our Frederick window sash installation experts provide top-notch window sash replacement services. Double-hung windows Frederick options ensure your windows operate smoothly and look their best. For those in need of window frame installation, our Frederick window frame specialists are here to help. We offer comprehensive window frame installation services to restore the structural integrity and appearance of your windows, ensuring they function properly and enhance your home's curb appeal. Home window upgrades are a smart investment for any Frederick homeowner looking to increase property value and improve energy efficiency. Our residential window upgrades Frederick services provide a variety of options to suit your style and budget, ensuring your home looks great and performs efficiently. Window glass replacement is essential for maintaining the clarity and insulation of your windows. Our Frederick window glass services offer expert window glass replacement to keep your windows looking clear and functioning effectively. Custom window solutions are available for Frederick homeowners seeking unique designs and features. Our custom windows Frederick services provide tailored solutions to meet your specific needs, ensuring your windows are as unique as your home. Window screen replacement is important for keeping pests out and allowing fresh air in. Our Frederick window screen services provide high-quality window screen replacement to ensure your windows are protected and functional. Window weatherproofing is essential for protecting your home from the elements. Our window weatherproofing Frederick services offer expert solutions to keep your windows sealed and your home protected from harsh weather conditions. Window style options are available to suit any aesthetic preference. Our Frederick window style options provide a wide range of choices to enhance your home's appearance and functionality. For top-notch double-hung window installation in Frederick, look no further than our expert team. We specialize in providing energy-efficient windows Frederick residents trust for their home window upgrades. Our Frederick window installation services ensure that your windows are installed with precision and care, enhancing both the aesthetic and energy efficiency of your home. When it comes to window sash replacement and window frame installation, our Frederick window installation experts are second to none. We offer comprehensive residential window services, including window sash installation Frederick homeowners rely on for maintaining the integrity and functionality of their windows. Our Frederick window frame specialists are skilled in addressing any frame issues, ensuring your windows operate smoothly. Energy-efficient windows are a must for any home, and our custom window solutions in Frederick are designed to meet your specific needs. Whether you need window glass replacement or window seal installation, our Frederick window glass services provide the highest quality materials and craftsmanship. Our custom windows Frederick options allow you to choose from a variety of window style options to match your home's design. For those in need of window pane replacement or window hardware installation, our Frederick window hardware services are here to help. We offer window pane installation Frederick residents can count on for quick and efficient service. Our window insulation services in Frederick ensure that your home remains comfortable year-round, reducing energy costs and improving indoor air quality. Window screen replacement and window weatherproofing are essential for maintaining your home's comfort and security. Our Frederick window screen services provide durable and reliable screens that keep pests out while allowing fresh air in. With our window weatherproofing Frederick solutions, you can protect your home from the elements and prevent costly damage. If you're experiencing window leaks or drafts, our window leak installation and window draft prevention services in Frederick are designed to address these issues promptly. Our Frederick window leak solutions ensure that your windows are properly sealed, preventing moisture and air infiltration. We also offer window moisture control services to keep your home dry and comfortable. For those looking to enhance their home's appearance, our window trim replacement and window balance installation services in Frederick are ideal. Our Frederick window trim services provide a polished look, while our window balance replacement Frederick experts ensure your windows open and close with ease. We also offer window glazing services to improve energy efficiency and reduce noise. Our window caulking services in Frederick are essential for maintaining a tight seal around your windows, preventing air and water leaks. Our Frederick window caulking experts use high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting results. Additionally, our window hinge installation and window lock replacement services in Frederick provide added security and functionality for your windows. For comprehensive window maintenance services in Frederick, trust our team to keep your windows in top condition. Our Frederick window maintenance solutions include regular inspections and installations to prevent issues before they arise. With our Frederick Home Window Solutions, double-hung windows Frederick services help ensure your windows are well maintained and energy efficient.